Hello guys, and welcome to another repair video. And this phone is Samsung Galaxy A22 LTE. All right, and the problem is that the phone is eating up and is consuming battery as fast as possible. Okay, and this phone is coming from a repair shop. All right, so we are going to examine how to repair this type of problem. You can use this trick on any Android devices. So I'm going to be fast on this video, so make sure you grab as quick as possible. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to do physical inspection to see a component that is burnt or water damage or anything that is not normal to the PCB. Okay, so after we have done that, we see that the PCB is okay. The next thing to do is to examine the PCB and look for the eating part. Okay, when a phone is draining a battery, that means there is a short circuit on the PCB. So try and feel with your hand. That's the first trick, and look at what is going to happen to me right now. All right, I hold this for a long and it burns my hand. That means this part is the part that is eating up on this particular device. So what do you do next? There is two types of ways in which we can detect this fault on any phone. Number one is to use your physical inspection and feeling with your fingers to see the eating side or part of the PCB. Then the next thing is to use your thermal camera. I'm going to show you how to use the thermal camera to detect this exact same fault very soon. But now we need to use our multimeter because we've gotten the area that is eating up. So what we need to do is to look for the shorted component. This can be IC, this can be capacitor or resistor. So I'm going to show you right now how to troubleshoot with your multimeter, and this is the area we are focusing on, and it's got an IC, capacitors and resistors all around it. So what you're going to do is to put your multimeter on diode mode or continuity mode. Then you put the red probe on ground and black probe to take reading on that spot that is eating up. All right, because we have a lot of components around that spot, so we need to read one by one, okay, and see which one is having a short. So you test both sides of all the components around that eating spot, the resistor, the capacitor, and yeah, those are the few components that are around this IC here. So I'm reading and taking a reading. I've gotten a short on one of the capacitors that is here. So take a closer look. This capacitor is reading short to the ground, and on the other side as well, short to the ground. You can see, so that main capacitor is the problem. All right, before we proceed, I would like to show you the second method which you can use, which is thermal camera. You can use thermal camera to also detect the area which is eating up. You can also use Rosin flux. I've mentioned this in my previous video, so if you have watched my videos often, you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now guys, let's look at the thermal camera and let's see that area that is eating up. You can see that red spot. That's where the phone is having a problem. So we are going to, which is confirming that area is eating up and is bad. So we are going to pop out the capacitor right there with the slow motion. You can see that's me popping out the capacitor, and you have to replace the capacitor once you pop it out. But before we replace it, let's try and power on the phone and let's read with the thermal camera again if that same place is eating up or not. Okay guys, take a look at it. Let's go. Focus on that particular area that the arrow is going to be pointing at right now. You see the short is gone. The short is gone. That means only one thing, that the phone is fixed and the phone is repaired. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, ask me a question in the comment section. I'm going to see you in another video. Peace.